Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to talk about the things which I done in my engineering life. And for those who are coming here for the first time, I am Rishi Suslade, a software developer by profession and a learner by heart. To be honest, I graduated from engineering just a few days back. Hashtag batch of 2020. Yes, coronavirus did screw a lot of things up for us and especially the schedule. But there are still many things that I wish I had done in my engineering. So I'm going to share those things with you guys to help you become a great engineer, and I hope you can leverage from the learnings that I have. So let's get started. First, networking. Networking is not just about having thousands of connections on LinkedIn. It's about having genuine connection with a person, with a community, with someone that who will guide you, mentor you, and help you achieve your goals. That person can be on LinkedIn, that person can be in your college, that person can be from your school, that person can be from different college. The thing about networking is you should interact with more and more people. The reason why I'm telling you this is because there are many people who have lots of more knowledge than you. There are lots of things that you don't know, and when you network, you get to know about these things. I'll give you an example. Before I joined LinkedIn, I did not know about Hacktoberfest, DevFest, GitHub Student Developer Pack, and Microsoft Student Program. I learned all this just from LinkedIn and just from the community of the LinkedIn. So that's why networking is very much important. And LinkedIn is the best way to start it, but have a genuine relation. Just don't run behind the followers or connections, the number of followers and number of connections. It's completely a waste. Focus more on having connections with people who can actually help you and who you can actually help, because it's a two-way street. That's it. So networking is very much important. Moving ahead, gain more knowledge. What do you mean by gain more knowledge? I mean gain more knowledge about everything, about your stream, about your life, about your productivity, about your habits, and the best way to do is read books. In my first 3 years of engineering, I was not a great reader. To be honest, I read maybe one or two books in the span of 3 years. But in my final year, I realized the importance and the impact of reading. And trust me, reading changes a lot of things about you. The way you think, the way you interact with people, the way your ideas come. It's completely changed. And it's not necessary that you should read fiction or non-fiction. Any kind of reading can help you a lot in your life. That's why reading is very much important. As once a great sage said, reading is like an exercise for your mind. So, as our body needs exercise to stay healthy, reading is the exercise for our minds to stay healthy. That's why reading is very much important. Moving ahead, gain more practical knowledge. You must have heard the saying, talk is cheap, show me the code. Yes, and this thing is very much important. Most of us focus on theoretical knowledge, but in industry and when you do a job, the major focus is on your code, your work, and the technical knowledge that you have. That's why technical knowledge is very much important. And to gain this, hackathons are the best way to gain that technical knowledge, because in hackathons within 1 or 2 days you are going from a phase of idea building to an idea execution and to a prototype, and that's a great way to learn new things, new technology and new technology stacks. So gaining practical knowledge is very much important, because in industries you have to apply those knowledge. That's why gaining practical knowledge is very much important. Moving to the third point, gain financial knowledge. You must be thinking, why financial knowledge? I'm an engineer, I'm a software developer, why should I worry about finance? The thing is, no matter how rich you are, but if you don't know how to manage your money, it's going to vanish one day, and that's the harsh reality. That's why managing money is very much important. Keep saving your money, investing your money properly in the right assets, diversification of the money, and all those things help you save and increase your money, monetary value. So financial knowledge is very much important. And I feel every engineer or every student in his degree, whatever degree he might be into, should start investing in stocks. The reason why I'm telling is, in savings account or FD account, you will get average returns of maybe 5 to 7%. But in stocks, there's no limit for that. Yes, you might run into some losses sometimes, but on a long run, you're always going to end on the positive side. That's why investing in the stock is a very good thing. And if you start investing from the first year of engineering, trust me, at the end of the 4 years, you will thank me. I'll just give you an example. When I joined engineering in 2016, at that time, Reliance Industries stock had a value of around 500 to 600. Today, it is trading at around 2200 to 2300. And that's not just example about Reliance Industries. Pick up any good quality stock. They have given returns of at least 20 to 50% in the last 4 years. And that's the thing. That's why you should always invest in stocks or mutual funds, whichever you are comfortable with. So I'm sharing some few links of Zerodha, Upstock and Grow app in the comment section, description section. So you can go check them out. Those are completely online processes they have. So you can just go and register. You can create a Demat account within seconds, and you'll be able to invest in the stock market within 2-3 days. So please do that, and I hope it will really help you guys. Moving to the last point, start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is not just always about money. It's all, more about hobby also. So yes, I'm doing a job, but maybe there's something that you like as a hobby also. So why not pursue that and keep your mind occupied for some time, or keep your mind refreshed. The thing is, doing a particular thing again and again makes you a bit stagnant, and you feel stressed out, you feel burnt out. And doing those things that you love or that you like can really help you reduce the stress and that force that you have on your mind. That's why I suggest start a side hustle. It can be anything. It can be painting, it can be blogging, it can be YouTubing, it can be vlogging, it can be Instagram, photography, whatever you like. And if you can attach a monetary side to it, that's well and good, because you can earn some extra bucks in your college life, and who doesn't want some extra bucks in their college life? So that's a really great thing that you can do in your engineering life. So that's it from my side. I hope you like these suggestions, and I hope you will surely leverage these things in your engineering life. Do check out those links that I have mentioned in the comment section for the stock market accounts, Zerodha, Upstock and Grow. You should please check them out. And if you have any suggestions, any ideas about any videos, or any idea about what should a engineering do in his engineering life, do let me in the comment section. I'd really like to hear from you guys. That's it from my side. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.